Hi everyone, the other day I did an unboxing of a Manfrotto XPRO Monopod, this one here. And I had a question on my channel as to how to get this fluid head base off the monopod to convert it to a monopod without the legs. Now it is a little bit tricky because it does sometimes get stuck in here. So what I wanted to show you is that it has two screws. It screws in once with this screw and then again with that one. So it's easy to miss. So I'll show you how it actually goes in. So it goes in and screws clockwise just by screwing the legs on, and then once that's screwed on, you then screw this screw clockwise. So that's to get it on. To get it off obviously is the other way around, so anti-clockwise, unscrewing, and once you've released that, so you can see these two also need to be separated. They have a flat spot on them, so I'm not sure if that's designed to be used with pliers or some sort of gripping gadget, but basically this needs to go, that needs to go back in there, and then these two are screwed onto each other. So once you start turning that, you'll see that it will reveal, if you can see that there, it's screwed on, that is screwed onto there. So once I anti-clockwise this one, you'll see that that separates, or it's a bit heavy. You'll see that that separates from there. So just to give you a close-up. So I hope that answers your question. I know that when one person posts a question, usually others have the same question and just don't want to ask or are uncomfortable to ask. So hopefully that will help someone else. And yeah, thanks for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Have a good day.